Hi friends, let's check the job vacancies in the Indian Institute, that is IIIT Pune. Walk-in interviews for the vacant post at the various levels. Let's check the post. The post is first one is internal auditor or the consultant. Chartered accountant or equivalent persons can apply for this job. 2 years experience. Accountant or the consultant, that is master degree in the commerce with a 3 years experience as assistant accountant or bachelor degree in the commerce with the 6 years experience as assistant accountant or the equivalent post. Dealing with the finance or the internal audit, experience in the central government accounting with command in tally, that is tally knowledge. Next, we will check network engineering is BE BTech in the computer science, engineering, computer information technology, etc. 2 years of work experience as network related work in the educational institutions of any company can apply for this job. Next, we will see the important dates. Important note is candidate with a higher qualification shall be preferred. Emoluments negotiable as per the experience and the domain. Nature of the appointment, temporary or contractual. Age limit is relaxable based on the experience. Test or interview. The written test or interview shall be communicated to the shortlisted candidates. Important instructions for the candidates is applicants can download the general instructions and the application form from the institute's website iitp.ac.in. You have to fill the form in the prescribed format and send through the mail ID, that is careers.iitp@gmail.com before 15th September 2020. There is no need to send the hard copy. You have to send only through the mail. That is careers.iitp@gmail.com. Interviews will be held as per the schedule mentioned. Candidates are advised to satisfy themselves before applying that they possess the minimum qualifications. That is, only the qualified candidates have to apply for this job. Eligibility of the candidate for the post applied shall be considered on the date of the test. Candidates should ensure that they have requisite qualifications from recognized board. Original certificate and testimonials ready for the verifications along with the ID proof. IIT Pune will make all reservation as per the government policy. These are casual details which they give. Institute reserves the right to reject any applications without citing any reason. Certificate of work experience should be in the proper format. Application without photograph, signature, necessary certificates shall be rejected. In case of any inadvertent, that is any mistakes, institutes can cancel or cancel the statement. In case no candidate is found suitable from the amongst the candidate, the best of the candidates can be selected for the job, and that will be final decision of the institute. In case of any dispute or the ambiguity, the decision of the institute shall be final. No TADA will be paid for to attend the written test or interview. Any corrigendum or amendment regarding the advertisement will be issued at the website. You can visit the website. Thank you and subscribe to this channel for the more announcements.